Okay, so first impressions. It's huge. I've never seen such a big lamp. And sorry, I want you to understand. This is my hand and this is the lamp. Okay, my hand, the lamp. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. I will leave the link of the company website in descriptions. And one more word, we are talking about the true creators of the lava lamp. Okay, this is not a fake, this is super true. We are talking about a Mathmas company. Okay, so after saying it's huge, again, I want to talk about the box. You probably saw it during the unboxing phase, but I want you to understand, this is the lava lamp, okay, and this lava lamp was inside 4 boxes, okay. The glass bottle was inside 4 boxes, okay, and that's good, of course, because of course this is glass. And above all, the box design is absolutely incredible. The unboxing phase was a really experience. It reminds me of the emotions I feel when I open every time an Apple product. The assembly phase is very simple. You just need to take the light bulb and connect it to the base. This is the base. Then take the glass bottle and put it on the base. The end. That's all. So again, it's so simple, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. After turning on the lamp, you will have to wait about 1 hour. After 1 hour of working, you will start to see the first bubbles. After 2 hours, the lamp is fully functional. And pay close attention, because you don't have to shake the glass bottle in the meantime. I must warn you that it's very hot, okay? You have no reasons to touch it, but if you really want to touch it, you just need to know that it's very hot, okay, really. And another tip, you shouldn't keep the lava lamp on for more than 10 hours every day. Turn it off, don't shake it, the bubbles will fall, and then the next day you will be able to turn it on again. That's all. This is my experience with the lava lamp, and I must say that I love it, really. I really love it. It's huge, but I love it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned on my Instagram profile, because I will probably share a giveaway about this lamp. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments below. This is Richard. See you.